Roll down onto your back on the mat. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor. Relax your head and shoulders. Now place 2 or 3 fingers palm facing you just higher than your belly button. Press down gently and firmly and lift your head and shoulders slightly off the floor. Move a little further down to the belly button and do it again. Come back and relax and then try lower. As you're pressing down and lifting your head and shoulders, you'll feel the muscles close in around your fingers. And you're measuring to see how wide in fingertips the gap is. It's important to remember that you're also testing for the condition of the connective tissue, the linea alba, that runs down the midline at the front of your abdomen. The further your fingers sink into your belly, the weaker the connective tissue is. So you're measuring the width of the gap, but also how strong or tense the connective tissue under your fingers is.